That is a chicken actually. Hello, peacock. Species ng peacock. Oh, what happened? Oh. Cobra yan, cobra. Huwag kang lalapit siya sa cobra. I'm looking at it. There's nothing.
No, no, see the snake, the golden one.
Oh. Look at this, ha? Parang nasa disyerto talaga siya, ha? Look at this, ha? Miguel. Miguel, look at it. See that? It's my hero. Ganda ng malalagyan. Crocodile snake? Paano nangyari yun? Coccolastoma. Oh.
So the little sleeping the snake there. That's not the spider.
Hindi na tatagal. Ooh.
Snake.
Huh?
The snake. The snake.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Albino. Look here. That's the snake. Inside here, you know. Takot si Miguel eh. Pwede kong buksan? Pakita sa kanya. Ay, bawal daw. Magagalit. Yan. Yan. Opinyahan mo lang. Yan. Huwag mo bababa. Taas mo lang. Huwag mo rin lapit sa mukha mo, ha. That's it. Hello. Hello. Hi, Miguel. Hi. Okay, picture. See? See, Daddy? Pawak daw siya. Pawak daw. Pwede mo hawakan. I-touch mo lang. I-touch mo lang ganun. Para lang maramdaman. Antok naman siya eh. Salamat po.
Snake.
Siya lang mag-protect.
Oh, snake na. Nangangagat pa din yan. Hindi, okay lang yan. Huwag lang kayo magulo. Para lang kayong kahoy. Yan o. Uy. Layo mo yung leeg niya. Look at me, picture na. Picture, picture, picture.
Ayaw. Umaalis
Hello.
Umaalis na.
Feeding. Ayan na, ang mga crocodiles. Papakain natin na.
Our main menu for the day chicken heads for our crocodiles. There are no hooks on the feeding rod, that's why it's frustrating to tie the food to the string.
Wait na. So hard to hook it up. Mommy will do it. Bato na lang, bato na lang. Itutok niyo sa mukha nila. Ayun na. Meron, no? Ayun na, bumaba na yung isa, oh. Bigyan mo, babato mo doon sa may crocodile ha.
Travis' frustration on fishing grew, and our patience is running low. I wish we could make him understand the situation.
Ibabato nyo nga lang.
He went out disappointed because the
Ibabato
last
mo
food
dun, oh.
that he threw out for the
Bato mo.
crocodiles were not seen by them and go to waste.
Dapat yung fishing.
Hindi nga eh, wala nga hook. Ang kulit mo.
To cheer him, we decide to
Oh,
let him feed
malaglag ka
the
dyan,
giant
ah.
arapaima
Eh,
again
mouth niya,
before
oh.
we leave the zoo.
Yun! Isa pa, Travis.
We are delighted it worked for him to bring back his smile. What a day.
Whoa! Lakas! Thank you!